Thank you for watching. And Assalamu alaikum. This is a magnetic conductor with overload. We use this for this compressor motor running. This is 5 kilowatt motor. You can see 5 kilowatt motor, Chinese motor, Chinese compressor. Here have we find out a problem. This LS overload conductor, LS M232. So we will discuss about the electric connection, wiring, how it is made wiring. So this is a neutral connection for magnetic conductor, coil. Here is this is overload NC connection. NC 95 and 96. So 96 wire go? It is A1 or A1 connection for coil, magnetic conductor coil. So magnetic conductor, this coil is okay. And another connection we need phase. Where how to go? This is phase for magnetic conductor, but it is came from main line. Main line means 3-phase line, 1, 2, 3 phase. Okay, where how to go? We will check. Here is the main positive phase. Go to the this connector and to push switch. To push switch black. Here is the black connection. There is a black and black. Then go to the by red, and then if this now it is closed, that means NC position. Now it is NC position. That means NC position. Here by this go to the magnetic conductor. Go to yes, go by this way and then switch. If switch is okay, switch is on, then this connection, this phase go to magnetic conductor coil, and then energize the magnetic conductor and push and okay for connection and 3-phase motor. So I hope you understand. I have a drawing. I will show you. Here is the 3-phase connection from came from circuit breaker main line, and this is output to this connector, output this connector and 3-phase motor. This connector and this connection go to the motor line. So it is the main connection. Here is the connection diagram. You can check. As I said, this is power line, push switch, and then neutral went to here.